Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are finally doing what has been in the corner over there for so long, and that's the rock sliders. So we're gonna unbox them today. That's what this video is. If you guys are excited to finally do the rock sliders for the 4Runner, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys are new. So what we're gonna do right now is I'm just gonna unbox them. I'm gonna unbox it, check out the welds, talk to you guys about which type of sliders I got from Cali Raised, and then in the following video, I'm gonna do my own powder coating, okay? I didn't pay the $115 or $150 or whatever it was to have these powder coated by them, and that's because they're sliders, so they're gonna get scratched up, they're gonna get messed up, so why pay that money when you can just do it yourself and touch it up? And then in the third video, we're gonna actually install them. So let's go ahead and get these things unboxed. Oh yeah, and there they are, guys. So Cali Raised does DOM tubing as well. It's definitely the tubing that you guys want if you are getting tubular rock sliders. It's 1 3/4 inches thick, and look at these welds. They're pretty amazing, in my opinion. So I definitely need to clean it up a little bit. They've been sitting in my garage and it's been humid in Florida, so they're starting to rust just a little bit, which is expected with bare metal. We'll be stripping them down and powder coating them ourselves. Now I got the top plates. I got the top plates as well. So these basically sit on top of the sliders, so they act as steps on your vehicle. And the ones that I got, these are 0 degrees, so they aren't gonna be at an angle or anything like that, like flaring outside the vehicle. They're gonna be completely flat to the car. So with the kick out should probably go maybe right around there. And so with having them flat, you could also use them as steps to get inside the vehicle or whatnot. Now, the reason I got sliders is, one, to get into the vehicle easier for when it does get a little higher. And another reason too is just preventative. I mean, yes, there's no rocks in Florida, I get that, but the kickouts are very good for like trees and stuff. If you get really close to trees and whatnot, that's what the kickouts come in hand for. So that's really nice with that. And there's also been some like trails that I've gone down where the car kind of like shifts this way going down it, you know, because we get a lot of rain here, so some of the trails are like rutted out and whatnot, and I just don't want the cab of the 4Runner to hit that. So having these is very preventative. Yeah, it's like $600-700 or whatever they are, but it is nice to have those just in case. And the fact that they're 0 degree, they act as steps as well for the vehicle. So it comes with all the hardware. I believe these are how I put the step plates on, but I'm not seeing any holes for that. So Cali Raised does have a video on their website. It's a very lengthy one, but I will watch that and then obviously condense it to all the important parts for you guys on how to put it onto your vehicle the easiest and best way possible. And especially if you don't have a lift, because they had a lift in their video, and you know, I'm in a garage and we don't have lifts. But anyways, so it came with these hanger things, hangers in here, big bolts, patch, sticker, and everything else. So yeah, so there it is. They're finally unboxed. If you guys are excited, like I said, go ahead and let me know down in the comment section below. We will be putting a nice coat of primer on these. We'll be putting black, shiny-ish black, more matte paint on them. And then the step plates right there, I'm going to be doing like a bed liner kind of on top of them for good grip and whatnot. So if you guys are new around here, feel free to subscribe, and I'll catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.